Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jagtap and today day 1 of my 30 days spoken English challenge. So welcome. So my dear friend, as you know, I am not perfect in English, right? But I want to improve it and I have to because I want to become a good English speaker. So that's why I started this 30 days spoken English challenge. Earlier, I was scared speaking English the front of anyone, really, because I really don't know how to speak English and how to start. Whenever I talk to someone, so sometimes I'm scared. I couldn't speak any word. Maybe it's fear of English. It's a childhood problem, right? So I think, my dear friend, we have to leave our comfort zone because when we live in our comfort zone, so definitely we are not speaking with someone else, right? I know I was making mistakes and I am still making mistakes because I didn't work on my whole grammar. I just know about little bit grammar rules like past, present, and future. That's it. And I am listening a lot in these days. So you also have to start like this. And you know, when I started my first day spoken English challenge, and now I'm sitting here and I speak front of a camera. So, my dear friend, when I was scared speaking with someone else, so how I am able to speak with someone without fear? So, you have to work on your fear. Whenever you are afraid from anything, like speaking or other, what's your goal? And if you are afraid of these things, what do you want to do? So you have to work on it. I also try to speak with tutors. I started speaking with tutors. I speak with them and they all are very good. I took some sessions. I joined English Yari and there were many tutors. They can help you and they never laughed at you. Okay, so that time when you start with speaking English practice, so automatically you will be feel confident. It's my day 1 of 30 days spoken English challenge, and whatever you do, so please join and start from today. Okay, don't worry about what people say about you. Don't worry, my dear friend. Okay, people always say about you, whatever you do, good or bad. Okay, so think about yourself and start from today. I know I'm making mistakes and I'm sometimes I'm fumble. I don't have words in my mind, but I'm still speaking, and I'm speaking front of a camera. And you also try. You just start speaking. Okay, whatever comes in your mind. You can front of the mirror and you can start anywhere and with anything. Okay, so you just listen. I think listening is the foundation. Okay, listen a lot. If you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel and keep smile, keep practicing, and don't forget that everybody is making mistake.